Hey guys, it's Matt here, Appliance Testing Supplies. I've got a quick vid here of the unboxing of the Seaward Primetest 125EL appliance tester. So, the machine itself is supplied in its box once we open her up. Okay, so we have the appliance tester. We have the soft carry bag to store your equipment, tester, leads and the like into here. A Seaward registration, that's a must, so you can register your machine with Seaward, the manufacturer. We have a certificate of conformity to state that the machine does meet the requirements of the Australian standards, and an instruction manual. Furthermore, we have under the box a set of AA batteries, an IEC lead for your extension leads, power boards and the like for testing. This is your earth return lead with a crocodile clip for testing your Class 1 devices. And finally, we have our mains power supply lead. So this is used for doing run testing on the equipment. But that's everything in the kit. Thanks for your time.